In this video, we will discuss about the top 6 reasons to do options trading. So most of the beginners, when they enter the share market, they are mostly confined to intraday trading and investment, that is CNC. Most of them are not aware of the options trading and the power behind the options trading. So there are so many strategies that you can use in options trading. You can actually convert your losses into profit. There are various options in options trading, but we are only confined to intraday, because if you have to close, you might have to bear the losses and close on the same day. And if you're doing in CNC, you don't know how to hedge. So we'll see everything. You can also hedge using options. We'll see the first basic reason is there is an unlimited profit potential and limited loss if you're buying as an option. If you're selling an option, it's the other way around, but we have several hedging strategies that we will discuss. Next is you can actually make money on both the rise and fall of the index or the stocks, whichever that you are on which you are going to buy options. And this loss, like we discussed, is limited to the premium that is paid when you are buying, and the loss is unlimited when the market moves up it exceeds your expectation of, when you're expecting it goes 30 points and goes some 130 or 200 points, you get extreme profits. And you can also make money when the stock market is falling. We have several options, call and put option. Third is firefighting. So it's like I said, you can actually convert your small losses into a profit one by taking the counter position. If you're buying a call, and you can also, if you're in loss of some 1,500 or 1,000, you can actually minimize it by buying a put on the other side. But we have several strategies. Once you understand the options, you know how to convert your losses. Fourth is unlimited strategies. So basically we have around 20 to 30 strategies, but you can actually permutate and combine the different strategies and give life to new strategies and create your own strategy based on your creation, based on the market condition or view. You can create unlimited strategies and see the payoff diagram, maximum profit and loss before taking a trade. There are so many items, you can just see it. Next is view based trading. If you see in intraday and this thing, if your view is wrong, then there is a disaster. But if you see here, you can actually take a view for slightly bullish if it's a market is heavily bullish. Based on different views, you can take different options. Are there bearish, slightly bearish, or within the range? The market will not move within the range, but if your prediction is correct, whether the market will move 100 points this side or 100 points within the 100 points on the positive or negative side, and if the prediction is correct, if it didn't move more than the 100 points, you will be rewarded by selling the out of the money calls and puts. So we have different, and we also have an expiry strategy. So it's basically, there are so many options in options. That is what I'm saying. Highly liquid. The next is when you're trading on indexes like Nifty and Bank Nifty, there will be buyers and sellers at any given point in the options. There will be continuous buying and selling, so you don't have to worry about the liquidity in options actually. And the time, one of the most important thing that I wanted to discuss here is that time that you wanted to buy an option. You have to give at least 10 working days. You need to exclude the Saturday and Sunday and consider only the working days, 10 to maximum 7. It would be very helpful, because the options loses its value when it's nearing the expiry. Once you see all these options courses, you will come to know. So if you want to know more about options, you can check the description and open a sign up for a Demat account and get all the courses that are featured in our website, powerpangu.com. So this is our website. You can just check it and get these courses free of cost. Go to the premium course section. So we have monthly income strategies, futures and options, and core strategies for that. So you can get everything free by signing up using a Demat account here, or in the description I have given the link, and you can WhatsApp me the Kite ID and get it. If you already have an account, you can refer your friends, and you and your friend both will get all these 6 courses. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.